Welcome back to the channel, everyone. This is Uncle Nate with
Ayden The Sharks.
This is our first money race on dirt. They call it a pro race at Callahan Speedway. You enter the points race, and then there's another entry fee, and you enter the pro race. One's for a trophy, one's for money. And as we found out for the first time racing here, money races are a little more competitive than the trophy races, aren't they, buddy?
Yeah.
All right, so we're running pretty good here at 2 laps in, and a bunch of people get spun out going into the turn. We have learned at this track that if you spin out, you are going where, dude?
To the back.
To the back. Doesn't matter if somebody wrecks you, you wreck somebody else. As long as you don't spin, you keep your position. If you spin or cause a caution, you're going to the back. So we start in the back, which gives Ayden a chance to do a little bit of racing from the back.
There you go.
And we quickly start to move up. I was really proud of how you're running out there. How'd your car feel?
Really good.
Yeah? What was your strategy to try to move up through the field?
Stay behind that number 3 kid because he just goes around everybody. If you can get behind him, he'll just show you the way to get.
The gray cart, the number 3 car, I saw him from the points race too, where the light was a little better. He's one of the local racers there. Ayden and I have talked to him and his dad. They're really nice. And Ayden's kind of figured out if we can follow and keep up with him, we're going to do good. We get some of these middle laps here that just kind of start ticking off. But there's plenty of action to come here shortly. We get a caution and we're restarting. You'll notice here as we come around that we are in 3rd place. 1, 2, 3, that's us in the blue cart. First car spins out to reset the field, and for whatever reason we get put back and forth. Not too happy about that. You might have seen that video as well, but whatever, it is what it is, and we had fun that night. We've been back to race since then and didn't have any problems the second time we were there. Pick us up here in 4th place, buddy. What's going on? What are you thinking?
Keep up with everybody, not spin out or wreck.
That's right. So in the pro races, depending on how many people are in it, this specific race they paid 3 back. I believe this one was 500 to win. So 3rd place would have been like 150 or 200 to go. So we're trying hard to get a podium. 4th place pays nothing. Might as well be last. So we're working hard to get up to 3rd. We're catching 3rd here a little bit, and we're in a lap or 2. 2nd and 3rd get together just off camera, and you can't see it. And then we're trying to avoid 2nd and 3rd as we're coming out of turn 2. We spin. The second time tonight, I feel like we got a short change. We get sent to the back again. Coming up here in about 2 laps, you can see the cart in front of us. Catch the white and pink cart. Yep, there they are. On the next lap, coming out of the turn where we are right now, turn 2, they're going to spin. Ayden tries to avoid them coming out of their turn. He spins 2. You can't see what happens. You can talk us through what happens.
So the kid, the number 3 kid, because the 3 car pushes her over the corner.
Grandpa misses it here. We're videoing the crowd a little bit, and then you barely catch little buddy spinning because he was avoiding them in the corner. But irrelevant. We get restarted. This is the restart. Back up here about halfway through the restart lap. We got about 4 or 5 laps to go. Why don't you talk us through these last couple laps, buddy? You're in 5th right now. What are you thinking?
Trying to pass these 2.
Get at least 3rd place. What was that? I saw you tag them a little bit, buddy. What was that all about?
I didn't mean to.
You're just trying to get by? It's kind of hard to cut under the dirt, isn't it? Yeah, get the backwashes out from us. We're working on our setup. Ayden's getting fast. He's being patient with us while we learn it.
Come on, Ayden.
So we've got around them. And here we go, challenging for 3rd. We've got about 3 laps to go. We get cut down. Everybody hops. 2 or 3 cars wreck. And as we've learned, they don't throw cautions here. We DNF for that race, but we had a lot of fun.
Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.
Thanks a lot.